Instance to class method. Instance to class method. Static method. Class method to instance. Class method to class method. Class method to static method. Static method to static method. Static method to instance method. Static method to class method. If you know these 9 techniques, you are just jump. Now I'm in where? Classes and objects only. Constructors, destructors with garbage collection, inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, method overriding, constructor overriding. Super. Okay. So, Chusara, this is called subject commitment. In OOPS, in other batches of same institute, 2 days. Oops, oops. Nijanga, it's real students. Why I'm telling this much deeply now, you have to feel one day. I cannot catch the speed of SAR like that, you have to feel. Up to certain level, you have to enjoy. After certain level, you have to practice like anything. So, see, now come. Class contains data members. Class contains what? Methods. Now, constructors, destructors, if I explain, will feel, sir, something different. అసలు వర్డ్స్ లేవు చెప్పడానికి. So, come to the point of it. When any faculty is shouting on the student after the class is over, you will criticize that faculty. But you cannot criticize me. Why? Your heart will say, sorry, saying super subject, you read well. That is only the answer your heart will say. There is no other thought. Negative, nothing is there. Because I am giving super subject. At the last class, also super subject I will give you. Next, you will ask, what next? What next? Like that. It is happened in your college? Never. Will it happen in anywhere else? Never. But when I am giving, why don't you practice? Now I am asking you. The first question, all of you put a question by themselves. What is the use of mine? Come on. What is the use of? Now answer మీరే చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు అడుగుతాం మిమ్మల్ని ఒకసారి. So, Kunal, sir, when you start interview preparation, mock interview, definitely I'm giving 1 or 2 days, give me. It's almost ready. Some starting with us only that interview will start. Actually, I intimated you because if it is not becoming ready, I cannot do anything else because it is not my home to make it ready. So I have to go for organization rules. So did you put your question? What is the question? What is the use of? Answer is there. Unda answer. ఉందా లేదా చెప్పండి అమ్మా. లేదా మరి మార్నింగ్ ఫుడ్, ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఫుడ్, ఈవినింగ్ ఫుడ్, స్నాక్స్, మిడిల్ సంథింగ్, వాట్ ఇస్ ద యూస్? సో but you don't feel it because these are all called open facts. Correct? Fine. So any students, online students, they are carefully listening what sir is saying that. Now I'll move to the further. This is called time is also 10:49. So even I'm feeling that just 10 minutes back I came to the class. How time is going out, I don't know. Are you feeling like that? Are you feeling that when the class will over, I will run away? He's saying one rule, it is just coming on my head like a bullet. Do you feel like that? No, you should not feel. You have to practice. Tomorrow class, when I come back, static method, another example I'll tell you. Pickling and unpickling concept with classes and object. Okay, now pickling and unpickling already explained or not? We did project also in that student information system. You can do that with OOPS also. OOPS is so important, students, in AI, machine learning. OOPS is important. Total Python developed in OOPS. And with my knowledge, which I've seen lot of people in the interviews and all, they are not even 10% good in the OOPS. Because we already almost 22 years, we went to deep level of OOPS. And OOPS is very complicated to the learners actually. But if you follow this, it is simple, easy also. But the only thing is you can do everything. But the only thing is you did not practice. That is a major problem with you. Okay, now. What do you do? Question is there. Did you have the question? Always morning once, evening one, when you are coming, wake up from the bed, you put that question by yourself. No doubt in that. Girls will put by themselves. What is the use of mine to my parents? You put your question daily. So, Kunal, so you are praising me, my dear student. So coming to the point of it. So, Uma, sir, any written test you planning to conduct, sir? It will be great if you can conduct some written test for us. So it will be we are okay. So no doubt in the you read my notes and any question comes, you will practice. Suppose if you come for whoops test if you come. So I will ask what questions, this type of questions I'll ask. Nobody can touch also. I never give A, B, C, D questions. I'll give fill in the blanks. I'll give fill in the blanks. That time what will happen? What will happen? If you have rigorous knowledge, then only you can write one word answer directly. Otherwise, you cannot. So you have to target on fill in the blanks only, not ABCDs. ABCD is a luck based exam. Correct? Kada? So once, suppose if I take my question paper and adjacent to our class, Jilebi is sending, I will give that question paper to him. Please put a tick mark. Out of 25, you will get 15 marks. Do you think that you know Python? Don't know. Luck is good. His screening process is selected. System test anyhow, he cannot switch on the laptop also. That is a different story. That's why fill in the blank test is always very danger. Don't try for that to prepare fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks is one added advantage for you, but actually test should be multiple choices added advantage. But your target is fill in the blanks. So anyhow, Kunal, thank you. So come to the point of it. So next class when I come back, we will talk about still the points about the static method example, pickling and unpickling concept I will explain. So that with that, what is done, class level data member, methods are going to come. Next, I will enter into what? Constructors and destructors I will enter. Understand now? Right. Read well. Don't miss the class. Thank you. Carry on. All the best. 6 p.m. new batch is started. Any friends are there, you can intimate. Any doubts are there? Online students, any more doubts? Any more doubts, students?
This
You have the
meeting is
knowledge
being
on pandas and
recorded.
numpy. Compulsory. Compulsory, you must have the knowledge on that. That we are going to conduct after 1 month. Compulsory, we need to have the knowledge. NumPy, pandas, matplotlib. Detailed knowledge is required. That too. Right.